ওয়ার্কশিটের সাথে সাথে প্রত্যেক দিন বাড়িতে আমরা কিছু ওরাল প্র্যাকটিস করাবো বাচ্চাদের সব সাবজেক্টের ওপরে। ওকে, টেল মি দ্য অপোজিট ওয়ার্ড অফ বিগ।
Small.
হট।
Cold.
ওপেন।
Close.
ডার্টি।
Clean.
হেভি।
Light.
হ্যাপি।
Sad.
Now I am going to ask you some rhyming words, okay? Nut.
Heart. Heart. Cut. Gut. Shut.
Gum.
Mum. Some. Plum.
Pit.
Pit. Kit. Hit. Sit. Fit.
Okay. Sight words pronunciation, okay? He.
He.
Go.
Go.
Has.
H-A-S. Has.
And.
A-N-D. And.
After.
After.
Write. Write.
Right.
Okay. Now I'll ask you some questions. Answer me. How many months are there in a year?
12.
Okay. What are they?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Which animal gives us milk?
Cow, sheep, buffalo.
Which animal called the sheep of the desert?
Camel.
Which animal can run first?
Cheetah.
Which animal gives us wool?
Sheep.
Who is the king of animals?
Lion.
Which animal has the longest neck?
Giraffe.
Name the largest living animal.
Living animal.
Largest living animal.
Whale.
Blue whale.
Blue whale.
Okay. How many legs do insects have?
6.
Which insect gives us honey?
Honeybee.
Which is a colorful insect?
Butterfly.
Good. Some maths question, okay? 2 plus 2?
4.
4 plus 3?
4 plus 3, 7.
3 plus 3?
6.
9 plus 1?
9 plus 1, 10.
6 plus 2?
6 plus 2, 8.
10 plus 5?
10 plus 5, 15.
20 plus 10?
30.
Okay. 9 plus 3?
9 plus 3. 9 plus 3, 12.
Okay. Now, blending words. Tell me GL blending words.
GL blending words. Glue, glass, glove, globe.
Okay. SL words.
SL, sleep, slide, slipper.
Okay. GR words.
GR, grow, grass, grapes.
Okay. Homes of animals. Lion.
London.
Dog.
Kennel.
Cow.
Shed.
Sheep.
Pen.
Okay. Before numbers. 34.
34. 33.
50.
50. 49.
72.
71.
Okay. Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to introduce Surya Chandra. I am a 5-year-old boy. I have one elder brother. I am from Kolkata and my favorite color is blue. I also love playing and watching football. My favorite cartoon is Blue, Vlad and Vicky. I also enjoy singing. Thank you and have a nice day.